It's gonna be a quick video on how much I paid for the 2011 370Z. People are dying to find out. People are asking me. I was really gonna wait until I finish the whole car and then I can do a whole breakdown, but we'll just do a breakdown of if you bought the car at the auction and just brought it home. Forget repairs. I'm not even gonna include the cost of the key. I will include the cost of the tow though, so that's the only thing. So the tow from the car to the home, but nothing else, nothing at all touching, just to bring the car to your home. So there's a lot of numbers here and there's a lot of things here. Let's go through it. So first off, the member stuff, that's your membership info. I use a third party dealer, and I'm just hiding his information right there. Then there is like a member number right here. I want to hide that too. That's all. So this is exactly how much I paid. First off, it's saying base white, but it's not base. They just don't have a model to put NISMO under for 370Z. So they just put base. It's not a base though. I won the car for $5,800. Then they assessed a buyer fee. Then they assessed a virtual bid fee, a gate fee, a storage, because I was 1 day. The storage guy was the tow guy was 1 day late in picking up the car, so that was $20. And then there was the buyer payment, how much I paid in total, which is $6,300 and with the 20, roughly $6,383. And I paid that March 9th, 2018. So now it's like July, ending July, so it's been like around 2.5, 3 months. Here's the title. I'm just hiding the VIN. I don't even have to hide the VIN, but whatever. You know, I don't care. So again, it's saying base. They don't have a model to put it under, but it is a NISMO. So yeah, so when you buy the car, they give you these two things. That's it. This is not even a guarantee you get in the car. This is just me being lucky. The guy